Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I would like to introduce to you a really cute book. This book is called Love You to Pieces. It is a sweet little book. It has a cute little storyline with beautiful pictures of vintage stuffed animals and toys. It would be great to give away as a gift, but it would also be a fun book just to read to your children. Now, this book does have a hidden surprise in it. You do get free patterns. We have a free pattern for Sock Monkey, a free pattern for our Sunshine doll, and the free pattern for Little Yo-Yo Clown. Let me show you the book and show you how you're able to get those free patterns. So Love You to Pieces is a really cute little book. It's about 7-inch square, and it is designed for gift giving. So there's a spot you can fill out for a special friend. The book is a very simple story by Amy. She has a fabulous collection of these vintage dolls and toys. So throughout the book, you have the picture of these vintage dolls along with some quilts. And the book is all about friendship. Everyone needs that special friend. A friend to share secrets with. Here's our sock monkey. A friend to laugh with. This book really does cover everything all about different friends and different types of friendship. We may have different views. We may not always see eye to eye. Look at those cute eyes. But we see each other for who we are. My world is more colorful because of you. And the book finishes off with an area where we can write down some memories or add our own pictures. At the back of the book, we're going to be able to scan this QR code, and that is going to give us some textile history as well as 3 patterns. And one of the patterns is for Sunshine Polly. So you'll get the original pattern with some tips and tricks, and the pattern does show us how to make the hair from t-shirts. We are able to get that beautiful skin tone by using the flour sack tea towels. So we do have different colors there that are perfect for the skin tone, and they really do help make them look like the original dolls. You can also get fabric that looks vintage. The fabric comes in these panels, and we have lots of different designs on those panels that we could cut up. So this one was used for this Polly. We do have other options. So between the pattern, the towels, and the vintage looking fabric, we can make our own vintage looking Polly. We also have the pattern for Sock Monkey. We have a little bit of history and the directions on how to make Sock Monkey. So we can make a new Sock Monkey that still looks like the original vintage monkey. And we do get the pattern for the Yo-Yo Clown. The pattern does show us how to make original yo-yos, but I'll just give you a quick peek on how easy it is to make them. We're going to start with circles. The pattern does have some recommended sizes. So our yo-yos can be made as they did for these with all scraps of fabric. We're going to need some strong matching thread. I do like to double my thread up and do a knot. And now we're going to just turn that edge over just by hand and baste that edge over all the way around. The fun part is we don't have to be over fussy on turning that over. Once we've basted all the way around, we have that little raw edge tucked inside. Straighten it up a little bit and then just pull that thread. So it's going to gather everything right in. Flatten it up. I'm just going to give it a good tug and then knot that thread. And that's all there is to making a yo-yo. Now, if you don't like making it this old-fashioned way, there is a fun new way to make them. You can use a yo-yo maker from Clover. It's a great tool and it does make yo-yos quick and easy. So the pattern gives us 2 different variations. So these 3 dolls are the dolls from Amy's personal collection. So I do want to thank her for entrusting me to show you her dolls. The clown is part of her vintage collection, and Sock Monkey and Sunshine Polly are ones that she has made. Now she's made quite a few of them. And here is a picture of some of the examples of how these beautiful dolls can turn out. So we have great options of making those vintage dolls to go along with our little book. So if you're going to give this away as a friendship gift, they do have the opportunity to get these patterns to make themselves some dolls. If you're reading it to children, it's a fun thing to be able to make these dolls so they can have them as they're reading the book. So it's a nice package for someone special in your life. So Love You to Pieces is a fun little book. It gives us a chance to make dolls with the fabrics that we want and to make our vintage looking dolls as well. I'll put some links in the description so you could check it out. And as always, thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a spectacular day. Bye for now.